Okay, let's discuss the side condition. Now, the side condition is based on the sine law. So let's say you want to compute the length of side BC using AB. You have here BC over sine B is equal to AB all over sine E, right? So you have BC is equal to AB multiplied by sine B all over sine E. Okay, so this is for triangle ABC. Now, what if we want to compute for side DC in triangle BCD? We want to compute for side CD. CD using BC. So CD over sine D is equal to BC over sine G, right? But since BC right here is equal to this, so we can say that CD is equal to AB sine B times sine D all over sine E times sine G, right? So this is the same. Now, what if we want to compute side AD? So in triangle DAC, so we want to compute side AD. So AD all over sine F is equal to CD all over sine A, right? So since CD is equal to this, we can say that AD is equal to AB sine B sine D times sine F all over sine E sine G and sine A. Okay, so if we use AB, now if we go full circle and compute for, so let's just continue here. So if we go full circle and compute for AB in triangle ABD, we want to compute for AB, so that would be AB over sine H is equal to AD all over sine C, right? Sine C. Okay, so AB will be equal to, since AD is equal to this one right here, so you will have AB times sine B sine D sine F multiplied by sine H all over sine E sine G sine A and sine C, right? So if you take a look at this equation here, take a look at this, we can cancel out AB, right? So we are left with 1 is equal to sine B and then sine D sine F sine H all over sine E sine G sine A and sine C. Okay, so we should be able to satisfy this equation, right? Ideally. So what we need to do is we need to adjust our quadrilateral to satisfy this equation right here. Now if we manipulate this equation, if we multiply this here and multiply both sides by the denominator, so we will get sine E sine G times sine A times sine C is equal to sine B sine D sine F and sine H. Okay, now if we take the logarithm on both sides, so we will get the log, this one, let's move it a little bit, and the log, this one, right? And then using the logarithmic properties of logarithms, so we will get log sine of E plus the log sine of G plus the log sine of A plus the log sine of C is equal to the log sine of B plus the log sine of D plus the log sine of F, and then plus the log sine of H. Okay, so we need to satisfy this, and we will do that in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something, and see you in the next video.